Hey everyone, my name is Haley, and this is Plane to Champagne, your solo girl's guide to travel. And today we are doing a private van tour of Antibes, Cannes, and St. Paul. Well, actually, we never made it to St. Paul. We decided to spend more time in Antibes and Cannes. We booked online with Escape Tour Evasion. It was €250 for 5 hours, which in retrospect isn't nearly enough time. So our driver just drove us from Nice to Antibes, where I am now. You can kind of see behind me. Antibes is a lovely little town halfway between Nice and Cannes. The beautiful town overlooks the Port Vauban Marina. And if you book in advance, you can go out on one of these sailboats. You can check that video out here. And like all real French towns, you'll find a cathedral with a rich history. This one dates back as early as 5th century. Right now I am in the Antibes market, and they have everything from fruits, vegetables, spices, soaps, everything you can imagine. They're all from local growers, so I definitely recommend checking it out. You can get lunch here, you can get a snack here. It's pretty quick to walk through, so don't miss it if you come to Antibes. I definitely would have liked more time in Antibes. You could easily spend a whole day there. We drove up the hill to see the Chapel of the Guru. And the lovely views it provides of the Mediterranean Sea. We continued on to Cannes. So right now we are in Cannes, France. As you can see, I got the beach right behind me. Sandy beaches here, unlike the beaches in Nice. We just walked down the main strip. It has all of those luxury stores. And we got a little snack and a glass of wine in the Giorgio Armani Cafe. I am in front of the big grand auditorium that in just 2 weeks will be star-studded. Lights, do the whole red carpet. There's a little one there now. And I'm gonna go get a picture. After that, we headed back to our hotel and then out to dinner in Nice. Let me give you my overall thoughts. It was totally great having a driver to give you all of the history along the way. But a 5-hour tour advertised for 3 cities is a little bit too ambitious. And of course, this isn't the cheapest option. So if you're on a budget, don't fret. You could always take the trains to these cities as well. For more information or the link to this company, check out my website, planetochampagne.com. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.